Hello and welcome to Pakistan Foodies. Today I'm going to show you how naans are being made on the streets of Pakistan. Stay with me, watch till the end, and I'll show you how these crispy delights of golden brown color are baked in hot ovens across the streets of Pakistan and India. Please subscribe to this channel if you like these kind of videos. Naan dough is made by mixing wheat flour with active dry yeast, salt and some water. The dough is then kneaded for a few minutes and set aside for a few hours until it rises. Once this is risen, the balls are made which are called pedas. These pedas are rolled and flattened and some holes are pressed into it. Some sesame seeds are sprinkled and then they are put into an ultra hot oven made of clay and cooked until they are golden brown. The oven is so hot you cannot even stand near it. The guys work very fast. One guy is rolling the dough, the other is putting it in the oven, and you can see they are doing it very fast. Once this bread is ready, how do you know the bread is ready? Bread is ready when it is golden brown and crisp. So they use these metal skewers to pluck them out of the clay oven when they are golden brown. So you can see that the guy is pulling them out one by one, and these are beautiful in the color, golden, crisp, brown, all these sesame seeds over them. You will just love them. So you can eat them at this stage. These are perfectly alright and ready to eat, but in order to make them last longer and make them more edible, what they do is they pick it up one by one now and they sprinkle some water over it. Just to cool them down so they can handle it, and also to make them moist. Once they are moist, they last longer. Then they put some vegetable or cooking oil or butter, whatever they prefer. They just dab it over it. That also makes it more palatable. And then these naans are stacked and packed in paper and polythene bags to serve to the customers. And look at this golden brown color. They're so beautiful. And this is how naans are made in the streets of India and Pakistan. You can find these tandoors and naan shops across India and Pakistan. They can also be found across the world where people of India and Pakistani origin live in a sizable number. You can enjoy this naan bread with any type of curry, gravy or soup, like Nihari, Haleem, Korma, Channa. These are the common dishes which are consumed with naan in Indian subcontinent. If you like this kind of videos that we make, please subscribe to our channel, share this video, and have a nice day. We'll see you in another video very soon.